everybody, and welcome. And today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Passover recipe that you can make at home with your family. And today we are making matzah pizza. For starters, all you're going to need is a little pan. I put some foil down so I wouldn't get the pan as dirty when I make it. We'll put that right there. Then you need, of course, some matzah. All right, I use a whole sheet. You can make a half a sheet or whatever and break it up later. And then you just need some cheese, some tomato marinara sauce, and some shredded cheese. I used a mixture of cheeses. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. This is what I got. So first, we have our matzah, which is great. Then you're going to take a spoon. I use a little ladle spoon. And you're just going to get some sauce. Start in the middle. And you can kind of swirl it around in a circle to spread it out. And you can add more as you go. Just like this. You can have more or less sauce, depends on how you like it. I'm just showing you an example. You can do whatever you want at home. Add a little bit more. Spread some more out like this. This sauce is a little more chunky. Okay. Do it for me. Okay. Put that away. All right, now we have our sauce base, and then we're gonna add some cheese. Just take a pinch and just kind of sprinkle it around. Just kind of randomly, make sure to cover the whole thing. Again, you don't have to do it just like I do it. You can do it however you want. Okay. And here we go. I put in just enough. Now, there we go. This is your simple cheese matzah pizza. You can add more toppings if you want to, like some vegetables or whatever you want. Here we go. It's ready to put in the oven. Set your oven for bake to 350 degrees, and then you're gonna wait for that to heat up to full temp. And once that's at temp, 350, you can then take the pizza and we'll put it in the oven. And we're going to set a timer for about 5 minutes. That's all you really need. It's going to heat up really fast. And we'll start that. Okay, it's done now. Get a hot pan holder. Make sure you get a hot pan holder because it's going to be hot. Alright. Voila! We have our matzah pizza. Delicious, huh? Enjoy!